Understanding Propeller Guards, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the English language, propeller guards. If you're curious about aviation, drones, or maritime technology, this term might pop up quite frequently. So, let's dive in and understand what propeller guards are, how they're used, and why they're important. The term, propeller guards, is made up of two words, propeller and guards. A propeller is a device with rotating blades that create a thrust to move an object, commonly found in boats, submarines, helicopters, and drones. The word guards, in this context, refers to protective devices or structures. Therefore, propeller guards are protective devices designed to cover the propellers. They ensure safety and prevent the propellers from causing or sustaining damage. Propeller guards are crucial for several reasons. They protect people and animals from getting injured by the sharp blades of the propellers. This is especially important in drones and boats where the propellers are within reach. Additionally, they prevent the propellers from being damaged by debris or accidental contact with objects, ensuring the longevity and efficient operation of the equipment. Propeller guards are used in a variety of settings. In drones, they are essential for safe operation, especially for beginners or when flying indoors. In the maritime industry, boats and ships use them to avoid damage to their propellers and to protect marine life. Similarly, in aviation, helicopters use propeller guards for safety during takeoff and landing. Propeller guards can be made of various materials like plastic, metal, or carbon fiber, depending on the application. Their design varies too. Some are simple cages, while others are more complex structures designed to minimize performance impact. The choice of material and design depends on factors like weight, durability, and the type of vehicle they are used on. I hope this video has helped you understand what propeller guards are and their significance in different fields. Remember, safety is paramount, and propeller guards play a vital role in ensuring it. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.